Method 1. Allocate free space from D to C. Step 1. Install and open AOMEI Partition Assistant Professional. The condition of the disk will be displayed on the interface. Right-click the drive D or other partitions you want to allocate and choose Allocate Free Space. Step 2. In the pop-up window, you could specify the free space to be allocated and choose which partition you want to extend. Step 3. Then click Apply to execute the operation. Method 2. Move installed applications from C to D. Step 1. Install and launch AOMEI Partition Assistant, and then click Free Up and App Mover. Step 2. There are two options. Please click App Mover option. If you need to move folders from C drive to D drive, click Move Folders directly. Step 3. All your partitions will be listed in the window. The number and size of installed apps on every partition will also be displayed. Choose one partition that you want to move applications from and click Next. Step 4. All movable apps in the selected partition will be listed. Choose applications you want to move and select the target location, then click Move. Step 5. You will see a pop-up message to confirm forcibly closing running applications when moving starts. Click OK to begin the process. Method 3. Extend C drive with the deleted D drive. 1. Find Disk Management in the search box. Right-click Partition D and choose Delete Volume. 2. Click Yes to execute, and all data and files on the D drive will be deleted. 3. When the process finishes, you can see the space of D volume becomes an unallocated space. Right-click on C drive and choose Extend Volume. 4. Extend Volume Wizard will pop up. Follow the prompts and click Next. 5. In this window, select the disks from which we want to get free space. And you can specify how much free space adds into the C drive. And click Next. 6. Check the setting. Click Finish. When the process is completed, your C drive will be extended, and D will be deleted. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.